If someone compliments you and your first instinct is say, "Oh, I just got lucky," or you would say, "That's nothing, I did not do much," or even if you would like to say, "Anyone can do it." So, if you're thinking that this is humility, just observe yourself. Is it really humility, or it's a discomfort within you which makes you to respond so? If it's not humility, make sure that you watch this video completely, my dear one. If it's not humility, then what can that be? Watch. It can be the worthiness about your own self. How you feel about yourself. Do you feel worthy or not worthy? That's where this whole thing comes into picture. And let's bring Goddess Lakshmi's essence to handle this discomfort within you. The moment you feel you're not worthy, you shrink. So Lakshmi, bring the essence of Lakshmi to feel, to get rid of that shrink feeling. Instead, feel expansive and receive what is good for you in life. You have noticed many strong women in this era who are working, who are struggling day in day out in their professional life, in their personal life, are very strong when it comes to giving, but when it comes to receiving, they're very poor at it. So let's reset that kind of attitude today, my dear one. You give emotional support, you give time, you give whatever is needed to the family, to your team, in the office, at home, in your friendship, everywhere. But when it comes to receival, why do you step back? Why do you step back? Why don't you deserve something better, beautiful than what has been you've been offering into the world? Spirituality is all about balance of both give and take. And our own body is having this two things. Why are we deflecting? Is it because we feel receiving is a guilt? Will receiving create guilt? So let me share the 5-minute practice with you today. That is nothing but accept that one compliment that you received today. If you have not received anything now or today, think about one beautiful compliment that you have received over time. Think about it, go to that moment, close your eyes, feel it, and say thank you. As you feel the compliment, let the emotion flow and see what you feel. And when you feel, just see what is that you're resisting. Are you resisting love, support, rest, money, recognition? What is that you're resisting? Because I would want you to notice, because what you resist or what you say no or block will never flow through you. Abundance flows to women who can hold it, who can love it. If you repel it, if you say no to it, then obviously it is blocked. If you're ready to receive, make sure that you comment receive in the comment box. Like, share this video with one of your close friends who would need it. And also, before you move on, follow my page or subscribe to my channel. This weekend, I am conducting a beautiful free webinar only to support you all on the occasion of Women's Day in 2026. So if you would want to avail this support, make sure that you message me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the caption. I will connect with you shortly. Loads of love. Thank you so much.